Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound or audio issues on your laptop. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and right click this icon at the very bottom. Then go to sound settings. Then from here, under the output section, you want to make sure the correct audio device is selected, like your laptop speakers or headphones. Then you want to click the small arrow next to it. Scroll down and make sure audio enhancements are turned off, since these can sometimes cause sound problems. So what you can do here is click this drop down menu and turn it off. Another thing you can do here is go to output settings, and then you want to use the drop down menu to switch between available output devices and click the test button on each one to see if sound plays. If your device isn't listed or the sound still doesn't work, you can go back, scroll down. You want to choose more sound settings. And under playback tab right over here, you want to find your audio device. So what you can do here is right click this. If it's disabled, just right click it and choose enable. Then you want to right click again and set it as the default device right over here. After that, you can also click properties right over here, go to the advanced tab. And what you can do right over here is you want to select restore defaults right over here, then click apply and then okay. All right, now let's restart the audio services. So let's close this, and this. So what you need to do next is go to services, just type it right over here. Then this window should pop up. Now from here, you want to scroll down, all the way down until you find Windows Audio. So right click Windows Audio and just hit restart. And you also want to do the same thing for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder right over here. Now this refreshes the core audio system once you refresh both of them. Now, if you still have no sound, this is optional, by the way. The last step is reinstalling your audio drivers. So for now, let's close this. Then you want to go to your device manager. So just once again, type it right over here. This window should pop up. Then under audio inputs and outputs, what you want to do here is you want to right click your speaker or headphones and then choose to uninstall the device. After that, you want to go to sound, video, and game controllers. And basically, you want to do the same thing here. So you want to choose NVIDIA High Definition Audio, right click, and then uninstall this. Once that's done, you want to restart your laptop and Windows will automatically reinstall fresh audio drivers for you. And in most cases, your sound will be back. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix audio not working on your laptop. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.